I got another update for TSLA. TSLA, we had a good day today. They started off kind of slow. I was looking for power, but you know what? Listen, the move is still possibly here. I want to explain some facts though. The problem with Tesla is, before I get into the plan, right? And don't forget to listen to every point I talk about in the video, because there's information that's not in the boxes. Tesla here, if it shows the power, we can get a good move still. Okay, but it could also move up choppy. There's nothing to stop this stock from pulling back and just chopping. Uh, and that's the problem with weekly options. You can't hold that, right? Only the long-term investors who hold shares, and if they bought over here, making money holding, this making money, unlike the people giving bad advice shorting Tesla. Why I said this millions of times. This is not a stock to short. This is a stock to go long. This is a barometer. This is a powerful factor why the market was able to reverse. Anyways, people, check out that video. Okay, that I made April 15th. I'll show you that video quick clip to check out. But Tesla is set up to test 330, 340 quickly, okay, based on this action. The April 28, 320 calls could be used. I will explain some key facts not in the video. Okay, so what I want to look for, again, is the same process here. Tesla needs to break above 316 on some strong action volume. And strong action volume is 1 million on a 10-minute chart. Now, the problem is this stock can go up slowly, right? So I'm looking for power, and if I can't get the power, I'm just going to avoid this. It's gotta show some power, because this could go up slowly. And with these type of options, you can't do it with these. You need power, and like I said, this could show the power. Or at the same time, they could keep this still, and keep it basing for all we know. It's very possible. But power is the direction of where this says it really wants to go. Volume and what it did today is a good pivot point here, and this power could come in, and that's why these options can do pretty good. So let's go take a look at the options. All right, so here we are at the Yahoo Finance board, and Tesla closed at 313.79, up $5. That's not a big move for Tesla in one day, and not when you want to work with weekly options. So let's go take a look at the. So here you go. So these are trading really good. You can see that there's a good open interest. Lots of trading happening here, right? Lots of trading today came in here. This is why I'm trying to tell you that there's a possibility that, we can make 100% gains very quickly. This is a trade that you want to take profits, okay? And you want to hold some runners, but you want to continue to see strength. And if your options ever lose more than 50% of their value from a gains perspective, you don't want to be in this, right? So you want to be taking profits in this, because when you're looking at it, options with just a few days left. But you know what? One day, this stock here, this stock here, when it wants to move, it moves $20 in a day. Okay, so here here it is. Okay, and you got the 325s. These are trading. So you got 325s. These are even trading well. These could be used as well. Okay, so you got the 325s, 320, but you want to go get in them, hold as the stock is acting well, and take profits. All right, so basically, if we don't get the power through, you probably want to watch a base above 316, look for power towards 318. The key is, people, I cannot stress it enough, volume, power, and pressure. Because the problem is that, as you can see, this stock has chopped. See, like it went up, next day it went down, then it went up, but went down. Today we finally had a move. Now, so this move here, and the volume came in at the end. This happened at the thing. It comes another pivot point. And with weekly options, we can still catch moves in Tesla when it's ready to pop. So it doesn't really matter the price, okay? Unless you're holding shares, it's a little different story, right? But shares cost quite a bit. I don't think a lot of people can buy a couple of thousand shares of Tesla at $313. But with options, you can buy 10, 15 options easily if you want, right? Depends. You don't have to buy 10. You can buy 5, 2, 3, and you're trading a company, that has true power and growth. That's why it's trading this way. It's not trading for no other reason. They may not be making the money, but it has the power and the growth. All right, people. If you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades, I suggest you subscribe. See the Sandro Power Target Trade? It's going to appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it, and it's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. People, I make a lot of great plans. I want to show you something very interesting here. A video you should check out is I made this on April the 15th on my stream, and I want to show you that for a second. You could see here on April 15th, right? This was in the weekend here, and the market was down on April 15th. You could check a look for the charts for yourself. But I posted this video, and it's very well detailed. You should check this video out. It says why the SPY will bounce, and I talk about Apple, Amazon, and Tesla are key. Now, not only that, but what you want to realize is the market also bounced today because of McDonald's doing well and Caterpillar doing well. And I mean, those are interesting companies that are doing very well. Okay, and on top of that, these have very strong trends still. And this is when the market was bearish, and a lot of bearish plans, like the banks, they didn't want to. Like my last one of my plans, the JPM, couldn't confirm. They reversed that the banks really hard, right? They were more like looking like shorts, but they couldn't. There was no power to the downside, people. So you can't fight the market. You cannot fight the market, right? Anyways, people, check out that video. You'll see it posted on Power Trick or Trade. I'm going to post another post on that one. But check out that video. Listen to what I'm saying, people, in those videos. Because just like Tesla, I explain the facts. I don't guess. I have plans. Most people don't have plans. Just like any plan I have, there's a reason for it. I explain the facts. I explain it with options. I'll give us all these great choices. So you want to study my videos. You want to look at this. Look what I post here. Isn't this great information right here for you to see? Confirmation is key. Study the videos. Visit daily. Follow. It's all here, people. It's just a matter of you listening to the advice. The market is in a bullish chop market. I said this. And a lot of people who are bearish, whoever were bearish Tesla, they don't know what they're doing. That's what I'll say. If you listen to people who said bearish things about Tesla, they don't know about anything. Because don't forget, the market has been bearish and Tesla couldn't fall. And I warned for weeks about this. That was a powerful. Just like you see that video, I was referencing Tesla. There you go, have it, people. A great update. Don't forget to subscribe. See the sound of Power Trick or Trade. Don't forget to hit the to subscribe to this. Thanks for listening. Like the video.